I'm so stupid. I'm pretty sure most of the videos are recorded all night and perhaps yesterday, and the whole time I was recording for the first book did not record. But we're outside now and it's raining and it's beautiful, so but they are getting into fights. Oh my god, I think she just used Rizen's power on Lucian. Yep, she did it. Oh, get over yourself. Ooh, okay, one thing I didn't consider, mosquitoes, but it's kind of raining, so hopefully not. They told me chapter 12 was going to destroy me. We are at chapter 9. So. Okay, for once they are talking. They're about to maybe start fighting because she just told him, did marry someone who can put up with this. And he blinked slowly. Then he said with terrible softness, do you not want to marry me then? I don't know why I said that. Oh. I try not to look at the ring on my finger at that moment. Of course I do. Of course I do, my boaster. But you, Tamlin, the walls bursting on me. Might be interesting. We'll see. Risen has came to claim her for another week. You're running low on food here. So again, it did not record. I don't know. But we're at chapter 11, and I know you guys probably won't know, but in the videos before that I recorded that don't have recording, I was saying that I met a girl at my work that has read the series, and she told me that in the book 2, chapter 12 and 55, literally like, you know, and we're at chapter 11 now, so I'm very nervous. That's all I've got. Okay. I don't know if I should like film the whole chapter. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I guess we'll see. go to hell. I'm a little nervous that the chapter 12 is gonna happen during the week. She's gonna be with Risen. There's a lot of cars in my neighborhood, which is surprising. Because it's like 2:10 right now. I know you can't see my screen, but I guess it's a Saturday night though. And read perfectly. Risen is a spectacular person. Risen is the center of my world. Risen is the best lover a female can ever dream of. I set down the paper, wrote out the 3 sentences, and handed to him. The clouds. It sounds weird. You practice. Thank you, High Lord and servant, or wherever it is you want. You can go shout up your ass, Risen. How disappointing. Well, it is how disappointing because the banter is kind of nice. She's about to display her powers to Risen, basically, I think. Yeah. The soldiers are back. So I thought, because they said chapter 12, which we're studying now, is a crazy chapter, and I thought it was going to happen in the Night Court, but we're wrong, because the week just ended and we're back. I bet you she's going to do something crazy, and it'll make Tamlin realize what's happening, I guess. Lucian's gonna help with asking Tamlin for training. They will hunt her and kill her. They'll do it anyway. So what's the difference? Yeah, exactly. Well, all of them are gonna try and have a baby with her? What the hell? Yeah, that I might be stolen and kept for breeding. Surely no High Lord would go so far. If they were to do that, Lucian would counter. None of the other High Lords would stand with them. They would place the rank of 6 courts bearing down on them. No one is that stupid. Isn't it? Is that stupid? And with that power of his, he could potentially withstand it. Imagine, she said, voice softly as she had no doubt turned to Tamlin. A day might come when he does not return her. You hear the poison lies he whispers in her ear. There are other ways around it, she added with such quiet venom. We might not be able to deal with them, but there are some friends that I made across the sea. Oh, with the king? We are not assassins, Lucian's had cut in. Riz is what he is, but who would take his place? My blood went cold, and I could have sworn ice frosted my fingertips. Lucian's had gone on. He was done pleading. Tamlin, Tam, just let her train. Let her master this. The other High Lords do come for her. Let her stand a chance. Exactly, that's literally what I was saying earlier, which I'm sure didn't get recorded. No. No, like she's not eating at all. Hmm. You can barely sleep through the night. You promise. Oh, she's gonna call Riz and they're gonna, I don't know, like train or something. Oh, she's locked in the house. not let him convince me not to learn those things for his sake. Yeah, I agree. He'd lock me in. Now she's gonna think it's like a prison. She just melted off her engagement ring. Props to you, girly. Oh my god, who's holding her? Ooh, more. Wait, what? Consider yourselves very, very lucky that your hardware was not here when we arrived. Your guards will have one hell of a headache when they wake up. Ooh. The darkness got her long enough that I could draw a breath, that I could see the garden door. She walked toward the path in my mouth, but she peered down at me and said, "Do you think that his choke would keep us from you?" Grace shattered it with half a thought. Oh, dang! Okay guys, that was chapter 12. Um, so like the engagement's off, I guess? I don't know. Like she melted her engagement ring off. And yeah, so we'll see. Okay, cool. My camera's about to die anyway. Bye. So I have a day off tomorrow and it is 3 a.m. right now. So I'm just wondering, should I stay up until Alex decides to go to work? You'll probably be so mad.